Want every contact your team captures to land in a Google Sheet automatically? Here's how: free, no Zapier, in about a minute. Once it's connected, every new or updated contact appends as a row in your WalkLists Contacts sheet, the moment it happens. No nightly export, no copy-paste. To set it up, sign into WalkLists, open account, then Automations, and click Connect Google Sheets. Sign in with Google and click Allow. WalkLists only ever touches the one spreadsheet it creates for you. Nothing else in your drive. If Google shows an unverified app notice, that's expected and safe to continue. WalkLists creates a spreadsheet called WalkLists Contacts in your Google Drive with the columns ready to go. Now knock a door. The moment a rep adds or updates a contact, a new row appears in your sheet: name, email, phone, and address, ready to sort, filter, or share. Connect yours today under Account Automations. Full steps are at the guide linked below.